Hello friends. Welcome to Navitas Efficens, your smart energy partner. In this video, we are presenting you a 5 kilowatt solar PV rooftop installation for a bungalow by Navitas Efficens. Navitas Efficens is an internationally registered brand and company working in diverse areas of energy sector since 2012. Watch this full video to know the project in detail. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our latest project videos. Do not forget to like and share the video. Now, let us understand the project in detail. It is a raised structure installation with a unique arrangement for cleaning of solar panels. Front terrace area was appropriate for the solar panel installation. So, for the best use of complete terrace space, we raised the structure. We designed a 3D digital model to work on the accuracy. So, we could utilize a 100% terrace space by designing a raised structure. A structurally stable, small and unique arrangement was made for the cleaning of solar panels. This installation is a perfect combination of the system designing, component selection and proper execution, fulfilling all its technical requirements. The performance of solar PV system was evaluated theoretically by performing shadow analysis and simulation to achieve maximum output. Now let us watch the installation process. The building was under construction when we started the work. Solar PV rooftop structure framework in GI material. Solar panel mounting was done by skilled manpower. A comfortable ladder is provided. Solar PV rooftop installation can be done for everyone, but not by anyone. It requires a proper technical knowledge, designing expertise and skilled manpower for its execution. If you wish to install solar PV rooftop system on your rooftop, call us now, and we will tell you how. Thank you for watching.